Have you experienced an issue of having no AI detector which can be able to help you detect the specific content? And also you have been maybe facing an issue with not having any AI content humanizer which can be able to humanize or to make your AI content or content look like a human. So in this video, I'll be showing you all the solutions. I'll be showing you all the all-in-one tool that can help you to humanize any AI content, and also to detect which kind of AI is still appearing in your paragraph, in your text, in your section. And also you'll be able to at the end able to humanize your content and detect any kind of AI that can be appearing in your content. Watch this video to the end. Once you watch this video to the end, you'll be able to humanize your content and also detect any kind of AI. As you can see, I'm now using StealthWriter. So if you go to your Google and type for Stealth, it is very simple. You type for Stealth, you can get this one, StealthWriter, which is humanize your AI writing, AI text humanizer. This is gonna be helping you at all. What you're gonna do, you have to click on it to get it started, and after clicking on it, you will see that you taken to the dashboard. On the dashboard, you can see I have this area where you have to click to paste your content. I have to paste your AI generated text below and humanize it. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be selecting the model, and remember, if you want to be upgrading, you can be able to upgrade to Ghost 5.2 Pro, to Rexy, and also be able to use the specific model, but you can even still use 5.2 mini, which is free of charge, and you can use it for free. However, you have some day limitations to use this one. For instance, I have also this 1000 words to scan at once. That means I can be able to generate any specific AI content and also humanize it up to 1000 at a time. So let me come to ChatGPT and try to generate any content with AI. I'm gonna be saying write a post, a blog post about World Cup 2026. So now it is going to be providing me the post, and also this post is going to be, of course, AI generated, because at any time I can be able to paste it, and if I paste it there, it's going to be flagging where the AI is now appearing in my text. And also if there isn't, or if there is, I can be able to humanize it, and if there isn't, I can be able to notice which section I have to focus on. So you can see now it is the writing, and the key idea here is that I'm gonna be copying it. Let me copy this one, and after copying this text is gonna be saying conclusion, and I have to paste it into my Stealth AI detector, and it's gonna be, of course, first of all I have to paste it here. You can see this is the long content, and everything I copied here is coming at all. What I have to do, I first have to check on my AI. You can see if I paste this kind of text, which is equal to like this, and I have 465 words out of 1000. That's big, and also that's a huge amount of article that you can be able to check in at once. And I have to click on check AI. So after checking AI, you can see your text is scanned with a version 2, 0% human. You can see it's AI detected. If you can be able to look at this point, it is 0% human, which is also very flagged 100%. That means every content or every kind of content here is AI generated. What I have to do now or next, you can see we have this button, which is for now also checking for humanizing this content. I have to click on this button. It's very simple. It's only one click, and after clicking on it, also is gonna be starting humanizing the text. You can see it is a humanizing, and after coming to version, you can see at the top it was saying that it was scanned by version 2, but after also humanizing the content here, which is at the bottom, it says looks human. This is a scanned with a version 2, and if I come here, it is gonna be showing you every kind of content that has been changing. For instance, if you go to at the end, you see now most of AI tools, when they are writing, they used to be using putting this dash everywhere. And if you come to this one, you can see at the last line, this is not a football game to watch, it is a football game to read. So you can see it has also changed every the whole line, and also have transformed it, removed the kind. If you try to select it, of course, for instance, I do like this one, I click on it, this is not honorary, it's now for football enthusiasts. If you can see here, if you love football, this is not just something to watch, it is something to experience. This was the line that it has it. And also it has different options that it's suggested. That means you can even click for an additional enthusiast. For those who enjoy football, you can see it moved from this one, which is original, and provided 3 options. You can be clicking here and, for instance, choose this one as the option for. So that means even though you come to this paragraph and try to click on it, also it provides every kind of option that you can be able to select it from. So now let's come here and try to see, maybe you can even try to copy this content and paste it somewhere. It's very simple. Let's want to compare it, so copy. If I want to copy it, I can even paste it somewhere here. Let me check. I paste it here. See, it's coming at the same content. However, the way it is written and the way it is now presented is different, because it has been transformed to provide now the humanized AI content, which is also looking as a human. So you can even compare with the content. If you have to compare it with something else, that is where it comes with highlighting everything. You can see now it's comparison. Now it comes with a deep scan, of course, which is very important. If you want, also you can see you have advanced settings options 2, 3. If you come to freeze keywords, you can freeze keywords. There's the words and the phrases will not be changed during humanization. You can even add some keywords here that you don't want any kind of humanization or any kind of change to them. For instance, you have some names which are not popular, but which you think that AI can be able to humanize them. If you are started with this process, that means you can add your keywords. And also if you click on humanize, these keywords are not going to be humanized. This is very important and also supportive. You can see how to use. If you are getting started, you can be able to select which one you want to be listening. And also if you come to this version 2, no score, but version 1, because this kind of version 1, there's a score. But also if you come to this at the point of version 2, no score. If you come to version 1 after humanizations, that means also it is providing a score. So this is how you can be using this one. And also this is for free. If you want to be buying the other one, can be coming here. You see what you are allowed, the access to Humanizer and also AI Detector version 1 and version 2 for free. AI Deep Scan is ready. 10 humanization per day, 10 AI scans per day, 100 words per input, and also Ghost 5.5 mind included. You can see, if you have to get this plan for 20 per month USD, you have to access all these ones: 50 humanizations per day, 50 AI scans per day, 5,000 words per inputs. Now you can see at this point you can even be able to put maybe 2 articles at once, or 1 article which is big, some short books, now some short readings, which is very important. Even this one also you go to even still 5,000, which is maximum. So thank you for watching this video. I hope the even free package can be able to support you. If you have any questions, suggestions, leave in the comment section. And also remember to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Max TV. Remember to turn on the notification button so as you always get notified whenever we upload a new video here at Max TV.